Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody? I hope all is well with you. If you're here for the first time, go ahead and smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Please and thank you so very much. For everybody else, welcome back. Alright guys, I am back. Had a few people inquiring if I was still promoting M.A.P, my automatic pay. Yes, I am. I think it's still an awesome program to get started with. Low ticket, okay? A low ticket program that you can make $247 over and over, instant commissions, unlimited, okay? So let's talk about it. Let's do a quick review on it. I am on the sales page, okay? Right here is a video. This is the video you want to watch. It will explain the program, so you don't have to worry about doing that. That's what I love about these programs that I'm a part of. They give you a video. Just share the video. Let the system do the selling and telling. Let the system close them out. Okay? So you're going to direct people to your website, your capture page. I'll show you those in a second. But the sales page explains everything. It doesn't leave anything out. You get paid $247 over and over. Okay. They provide a source for you to go in and buy the done for you traffic. All you have to do is give the vendor your link. Okay. Use one of the solo ad vendors. They'll drive traffic to your page so that you can start getting leads and prospects looking at the opportunity. That is the key to all these programs. You have to drive traffic, okay? The more people that look at the presentation, the greater chances of you getting sales, okay? So, but first and foremost, you want to collect leads, because we are in the lead business, lead generation business. So you're going to generate leads by driving the traffic with the done-for-you packages. They have a few packages that you can select from, 4 packages, very affordable for everybody. To market your business, you've got to market your business. Then on this particular page, they show you some proof payment of people that have received commissions, the $247 commissions over and over. Okay, and then this program comes with digital products. Okay, it also comes with traffic generator, list building solutions, create your own income. This is digital marketing tools, okay, that they provide you. Planning for success, brain training, 1,000 subscribers in 30 days. So they do give you some digital marketing training that's included here. Okay, so the membership includes a sales funnel, okay, so you don't have to go out and create a sales funnel. They already have that for you. The autoresponder is included. It's member-to-member payments. You don't have to wait on the company to pay you. You're going to be paid instantly from the person that joins your link. Okay, they're going to pay you any way you require. Okay, you specify that in your profile, how you want to get paid. Okay, and as I stated, comes with a digital library of products that you can download as soon as you get access. You have the done for you traffic packages. And of course, the automation built in way that you can get paid. All right, now this program, as far as the comp plan, is a simple comp plan. You make $247 over and over. There's no other levels. But with this one, the way it's set up with a 1-up, your first sale you keep. So your very first person that signs up with you, you make $247, so you break even on your first sale. Then your second sale, you only pass up that one. That second sale will pass up to your sponsor. And then after that, you will keep all your sales. But just think, you get leverage with this. So every time you sign up someone, they owe you their second sale. Okay? And that's where you're going to get the passive income, $247 passive income that's going to be passed up. Okay? So it's a great way to have leverage in your income. All right? And as I stated, it's very simple. Okay, it's low ticket, $247 one time. There's no monthly fees here. $33 one time. That's your setup fee. So $280. You've got a business in a box. Okay, all you got to do is go here, click that button. I'm going to put the link in the description, www www.besteasyworkincome.com. Go check it out. So let's go look at the back office. Okay, I am in the back office. This will change every 24 hours. It updates how many leads and how many sales you have. Okay, your link is right here. So when you log in, this is the link that you would give to your solo ad provider. And if you join me, I'm going to send traffic for you. So send me your link. Okay, once you get started, email that to me. But when you go here, guys, it tells you right out the gate, click here, watch this first. Follow these steps right here, okay? And as it states here to the left, same thing. Start here, complete your profile, set up your payment option. How do you want to get paid? Let me show you some of those options. These are the options: Authorize.net, PayPal, Stripe, Cash App, Dinero. Manual means any other way you want to get paid, like Zelle, for an example. Gizmo and Venmo, okay? So every option is here and available for you. Doesn't matter how you want to accept your payments. Just select 3 of those at least. You're good to go. Okay. And then you come down after you do that. Okay. Activate your site. Okay. Tells you right here, activate your site. So click capture pages. They have 2 capture pages there. This one and this one. Just select which one you want to be your primary. Just click the button that says make primary. And then you would select which sales page you want. Okay, and you would just click make this my redirect. Okay, let me show you the pages I'm using. Okay, this is the page that I'm using. I like this page right here. This is the one I selected. So when you go to the link in the description, besteasyworkincome.com, you're going to get this page. Okay, I'm just going to run through these for you. Get traffic, you go here, and they have different sources. Traffic can mean solo ads, drop cards, postcards. They have all that in here, guys, okay, that you can use as traffic. I like the postcards, and of course I like solo ads, but they are right here under resources. Okay, and then right here you'll see it says your contacts. You click that, you'll see all the people that have opted into your page. Okay, and then of course they have the built-in autoresponder, but you can connect GetResponse or Aweber to this as well. All right, now let's take a look at the products. They do have digital products. You come in your back office, you click resources and products, and here they are. Okay, so this is the marketing product right here, and you can download this digital marketing tool, module 1. Create your own job. I mean, it's several different modules here. Just go through this, but this is training. Okay, then they also have the health digital products right here. As you can see, this says marketing, this one says health products. Again, digital, so you can download these as it states here. Click here to download these. So a lot of health products as well. Okay, and you actually can learn something here, guys. Let me show you one of the let me click here, right here, this digital tool, digital marketing tool. Let me pull it up. Okay, right here. So I've clicked on this tool, as it states, has helped dozens of people escape the rat race. Okay, so this is a pretty cool tool. So check this out if you're already in M.A.P, My Automatic Pay. Great little tool. You can get a lot of nuggets from here. So this is one of the main tools that I would recommend you check out. All right, so definitely a program. I still recommend this program. Low ticket, affordable, $280, a business in a box. You're in, you're ready to rock and roll. And as I stated, for everybody that gets started with me, I'm going to run your first traffic campaign. And they do have resources in here, but I have my own personal resources that I will share with you. I'll be sending you a welcome email when you get started. Okay, so once the payment is received, I'll mark you paid pretty much, and then I'll send you an email with the marketing resources, and then you'll need to send me your capture page link so that I can get traffic started running to your page just like this. This is the page. It's going to be your capture page, When you log into the back office, give me the capture page you're going to use, okay? That's what you want to give me. Let me show you that link again, though, okay? Okay, right here, when you log into your back office, give me this link. You want to email that to me, and I'll get that traffic rolling for you. Okay, guys, so if you're interested in this program, the link is going to be in the description. It's a simple program. I think it's very affordable, $280, and you're able to make $247 commissions over and over and over any way you want. Simply just run the traffic, or you can mail postcards as well. There's a lot of things you can do. They list some of those in the back office. But personally, I like the run traffic, posting ads. I like those as well. Okay, and I'll be happy to work with you getting you started on a marketing plan. So with that being said, thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Okay, the next time, you guys be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.